Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome back to my channel Smart Collections Plus. How are you all? I hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Today I will show you latest comfortable long sleeves frocks design collection for baby girls. In this video you can see winter frocks designed for baby girls. You can also see latest winter special frocks designed for kids. I hope you can try this design and you like it. After watching this video, you can easily make frocks for your cute baby. These designer dresses are must-be looks very pretty on your cute baby. I hope you like this video and these beautiful collections. I hope you interested my video, so please like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to alert my new video. Viewers, let's enjoy this video.